Hello, welcome to LeadMaster. In this tutorial, you will learn how to install a plugin into your browser that turns any phone number into a click-to-call phone number. Normally, if you were going to set up your system to be click-to-call, you'd go to the My Account settings and choose a phone number hyperlink provider here. And you'd also have to go into Manage Workgroups and select a phone number hyperlink provider there. But in this case, we will install an extension. Go to the Chrome Web Store and type in EVS7. That's our partner that created the LeadMaster voice solution. After you click Add to Chrome, you will see a green phone up here. Green means it's enabled. Red means that it's disabled. Let's go back to LeadMaster and click on Accounts. We can see some phone numbers here. By clicking on the phone and turning it green, these numbers are now clickable for dialing using the LeadMaster voice solution. Notice that if you go on a phone record, all of the phone numbers on the record, no matter where they sit, are click-to-call. You can even have a phone number inside of comments and notes that is click-to-call. This plugin also works on the edit page. In this case, instead of turning the phone number into click-to-call, the icon sits off on the side. This concludes the tutorial on how to install a plugin to enable any phone number in LeadMaster to be a click-to-call phone number. Thanks for watching!